Of the weather, let's get another check on the forecast with meteorologist Alex Puckett. Alex, it's been a soggy couple of days. How long will it stay like this?
Well, we're going to get some breaks in the rain as we head into tomorrow, and especially, I think, Tuesday. But we've also got a couple more waves of rain on the way over the next 7 days. And this next 7 days worth of weather is going to be particularly soggy. Unfortunately, not something we need. It's been a soggy day across Alabama. Live view from Tuscaloosa there, where it's cloudy, it's dreary, and you could deal with a few more raindrops pretty much anywhere across central Alabama, but meaningful rain is not expected at this point. Temperatures are ranging anywhere from the 50s, closer to Highway 278, 60s closer to I-20, and then approaching 70 once you get back towards parts of Chilton, Coosa, and Tallapoosa counties. A near stationary front is sort of draped across the state here, and you'll see this here on satellite and radar too. We've got the front drawn on. We've seen lots of clouds and a few showers north of this front. South of it, it's been generally pretty comfortable. But like I said, we've got more rain on the way. Tomorrow will be mostly dry, but two waves of rain that I'm really sort of tracking and keeping a close eye on. The first one coming Monday, the next one coming Thursday into Friday. So these are the two main weather makers as we head into next week. The first one going to be Monday as a cold front pushes through. So Sunday is mainly dry. We might even get some peaks of sunshine by the afternoon. But here comes a cold front as we head into Monday afternoon and Monday evening. The radar here, the futurecast, not picking up on a ton of activity, but I do expect at least a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. I don't expect severe weather with this necessarily, but a couple of storms could pack a little bit of a punch. Now this next round, though, as we head into Thursday and Friday, may be a little more interesting. The models are struggling with this one, though, so understand we could see some big changes to the forecast. As of right now, models tend to think we get a near stationary front as a low pressure system develops to our west. Better chances for that front to stall are basically the northern third of the state of Alabama and into Tennessee. However, if it's a little further south, we'd see a lot more rain here Thursday and Thursday night. Friday, a cold front moves in. That surface low is back off to our north and west, so that would help generate some strong winds near the surface, some wind shear if this worked out, and bring in some unstable air. But some models put the low down here. If that was the case, then we'd have more rain, but a lower chance of severe weather. So still some questions with all of this, but some of the ingredients that we do think will be in play, including a strong low-level jet, would suggest at least that there's going to be some potential for some impactful weather as we head through the day Thursday and especially on Friday. There's some unstable air in place, but it just doesn't really gel together in a way that at this point looks like a big severe event. But again, some things could change. But everybody dealing with a lot of rain this week. Some spots from basically I-20 north could see more than 4 inches of rain, a lot of that falling Thursday and Friday. So some questions here as to how all this pans out, but we'll keep a close eye on this. As for Monday, even outside of thunderstorms, it will be a breezy day with wind gusts likely exceeding 30 to 35 miles an hour. Expect warm weather through much of the week, but getting cooler and drier by the weekend. Laura.